here at Make Space, my second time around. And ito yung kitchen nila. So, since tanghali na ako nakarating, I'm gonna show you guys the studio later, or the area, co-working space. And nandito tayo sa kanilang kitchen. Kitchen ba to? Open garden space where you can eat. So I'm gonna have my lunch. And I'll have to finish my work and then do my vlogging later. So yeah, so it's just a sneak preview right now. Have a good lunch, guys. So yes, I made it after all the traffic and now I'm very hungry. Okay, later. I've never met the owner, but I would love to meet him and do a collab. Look at that. Cool, diba? And they do, parang they recycle yata bags. So this one, that is super nice. And they said, si ate, the one that I met here before, she said that, married couple daw to. They started small and then now they have a big consignment na sa iba't ibang stores. So, yun. So, I'm happy that I saw it here. I like this one. Sobrang perfect for journalists. Sunday paper. I think that's when I saw the first time I went here. Maganda yung may lines. Ayan, buti maganda lighting. Di pa ako mukhang haggard dito sa aking camera. Maingay yung katabi naming sasakyan. It's time check 6:43. And ako lang yata yung nag-work dyan na from media. Kasi napansin ko most are crafters, tama ba yung tawag? Or DIY queens. It's my last day there kasi tapos na yung aking book. Parang buy one take one nila. And I tried it out. It was good. It's very quiet if you want to work at a place na wala gaanong istorbo or maingay. And then you can distress in between work if you're so tired sa kanilang store, craft stores. Marami kumikita, and then they have all this stuff for work, for doing the arts and such. Parang putol yung ulo. So yun, and ano pa ba? They're free for you, so okay naman. And then it's surrounded by the food court. I tried it before, pero hindi ko gaano nagustuhan yung nakain ko. So hindi ko na rin binlog because I'm not sure if all the other foods are okay. I haven't tried it today kasi tipid mood tayo dahil petsa de peligro. But anyway, I'm gonna go beat the traffic. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button, and follow me on YouTube. Comment below. Nagtataka na si Kuya sa gilid anong ginagawa ko. Ayan siya. So, bigyan na awkward na ako. So, yun. Thanks, guys. Till the next vlog. Good night!